So this video is going to show you how to submit one of your drawings here if you've chosen to do your constructions on paper. So I've got my construction done for problem one. Problem one, by the way, said draw a line segment, label it AB, and then copy the line segment with your compass and straight edge. So I've done that, and I'm ready to go ahead and turn it in. So at this point, most of you are going to want to either grab your phone, or you can use, of course, the webcam on your Chromebook to do this. But you've got a picture of it on your phone. I'm going to go ahead and just put it right under here. The easiest thing that I have found is to put it on your Google Drive. If you don't already have your Google Drive linked on your phone, that is way, way nice to have. So you just download the Google Drive app and go from there. So if I'm looking at this, one of the options on here is going to be save to drive. I've obviously got lots of options, but save to drive is the one I want. Now at this point, you're going to want to make sure that you are using your school Google Drive so it links to the Google Doc that you have. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my school account. You've got a chance to switch your folders. So I can change these to whichever folder I want. I have a folder for chapter 3 because we're in chapter 3. So that seems like a good place to put it. So once you've got the folder you want, you just click select and you can hit save. So that is automatically going to upload that to your Google Drive. So then we can go back to our assignment here. Get me out of the way. And we can insert an image. And like we said, it's in our Google Drive. Because we just put it in, it's probably going to show up under recent. There you go. It's right there. So I can insert that right in that first box. And at this point, you can also resize things. So when you click on the picture, you've got some options to resize it. You can also, I believe, crop these pictures. So if you go under all image options, where is it? Yeah, so you can resize pretty easily. And then you should be able to crop these pictures real quick here. Oh, right here. So when you click on it, it shows up right here. It's a crop image. And then what you can do is you can actually just drag up and it'll delete pieces of that picture that you don't need to see. So I don't need to see a whole bunch of blank paper. I just want to see the one problem that you've done with enough detail that I can actually see that you did it. Make sure you get everything. Make sure you include any construction marks and things like that. But once you're done with your crop image, you can crop it like that. If there's any extra space in this box, feel free to delete it so that it's not taking up a ton of space, but then you're good to go. From there, you can just move on to the next one and do the exact same thing. Do your constructions on the paper, take a picture of it, upload it to your Google Drive, and keep going. I'm going to try to limit the number of problems here. There's not going to be very many, but I really want to see that you're giving these a shot and can see that you're doing them and get on the right track.